And we are getting very good reports that even people who are drinking have actually given up and actually found that it's not a very good thing. I want to say the war is 70% won, but there is still 30%. And County Commander, I want you to look at Goigwa. There is still a lot of alcohol in Goigwa. There is still a lot of alcohol in Makongeni. I want you to pull up your socks starting this afternoon, and in the next 3 days, make sure that the areas of Goigwa, the areas of Makongeni are cleaned up. And there will be no drinking during the day. Let people go and work. Let the bars open at 5. Those who want to sell good alcohol can sell up to 11. From there, people can go and sleep so that they can wake up sober the following day to go and work and build the nation.
What of those running to court and getting court orders, those traders, and maybe challenging the directive that you give?
I want to ask our courts to know that the judges and magistrates are also parents, and their children are not immune to drug abuse and alcohol abuse. I want to request them to be fair to the people of Kenya and allow us to carry on with this exercise. Much as we want people to go to court to seek justice, we want to ask the courts to not give expiration. Let them hear the complainants, let them also hear the government, and then they can make a determination. But we want to say that the war is on, and there is no let-up, and this will continue for as long as drugs are available in the market, as long as illicit alcohol is available in the market. The political will is at the highest level. President William Ruto has given his all to this war. I am his deputy. He has asked me to oversee it. Professor Kindiki is more than persuaded. All our officers are cooperating. Members of the National Assembly are on board. You have seen them here. Members of the Senate are on board. This is a war for all Kenyans, and the church is on board. In fact, we have the goodwill, not just of the political class, but of the Church of Christ, from the Muslims, from wananchi themselves, from our women, from our men. The support is total, and that is why this war will succeed. Asanteni sana. No turathie tugiteithagia anake aya kwina rehab hinguritwo ni maratwarwo aria mahotetwo na nditwina program ya affordable housing nigetha anake aitu mone mawira ni turathondeka kahua anake aitu mone mawira ni turathondeka macani ni turathondeka iroho makadamia riu marau maciringi 120 kuni gukorwo na wira wa kuigana wanake maguthie kuruta. Koguo tukwenda kwira anake aitu matigane na njohi, matigane na ndawa cia kurevya, metikire marute wira, mathondeke rucio rwao, mathondeke rucio rwa ciari yao na mamenyo na magaikara matuko-ini ma thutha-ini riria matari na hinya. Gutire mundu uritikirio kwendia thumu ona angithie igoti-ini ririku. Mundu uri ukwenda kwendia njohi endie njohi njega, no na angithie igoti-ini akiendagia thumu gutire mundu turitikiria kuraga ciana citu. Ciana ici tutire na ingi twahirwo ni Ngai uguo bure, na twina wira ta thirikari ya guciegitira itikanagwo, maisha macio matigathukio, itikoragwo ni ekinai na andu aria marenda gutonga makiuraga ciana ciene. Macio ni maundu tutangitikira. Maofisa maitu nikio ngukite ni turamarora na ni turameciria. Ni turekire task force irarutitwo ni president iraheana recommendation uhoro wa insurance ya police officers aria mariguraraga mewira-ini kana aria hihi mangithie makue mewira-ini nigetha family ciao ikahota kumenyererwo. Thirikari ino itu ni ireciria oro maofisa maitu na ni ngwenda kumacokeria ngatho. Kenya haria yaruma ni wira uria mwega marutite na kumera mathie na mbere na matigakue ngoro na nitukumagitira. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much. Asante.